In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a PayPal invoice, including generating an invoice link and understanding PayPal fees. First, head over to the PayPal website by opening your web browser. Once there, you should see a button that says Log in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Now make sure you're entering the correct credentials associated with your PayPal account. After you've carefully double checked, click Login to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. You're going to want to look for Business Tools. This section houses a variety of options that PayPal offers to manage your business transactions smoothly. With Business Tools selected, you'll then see an option to Show All. Clicking this will provide a more comprehensive list of tools. In the list that appears, locate Request Payments. Scroll down just a little and there you'll see Invoicing. Click on that and soon after you'll notice a Get Started button. Give that a click as well. Once you're on the invoicing page, the first thing you should do is click Create New Invoice. This will open up a form where you can input all necessary details. Start by adding your customer's email. This is crucial for ensuring they receive the invoice directly to their inbox. After that, fill in the invoice contents. These would typically include detailed item descriptions, quantities, and of course prices. Remember, clarity is key here, so take your time to ensure each detail is accurate. You also have options to personalize your invoice further. For instance, you can add your company logo, select from pre-designed templates, or even include a special delivery message for your customer. Customizing can add a professional touch that resonates well with clients. Once you've filled in and customized everything, take a moment to preview the invoice. This step is vital as it gives you one last chance to spot any errors or omissions. If everything looks good, click the Send button and the invoice will make its way to your customer. Additionally, after your invoice has been sent, you'll have the opportunity to share a direct invoice link. This can be a handy alternative for customers who prefer accessing their invoices through a direct link rather than email. Simply copy the link provided and share it with your customer through their preferred communication channel. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently create, customize, and send a professional invoice using PayPal, helping streamline your billing process and ensuring you get paid promptly.